Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Mohammad Ali Qureshi from Islamabad. Today I am going to unbox Reno 3 Pro. It has 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. And this is with Helio P95 processor, which gives you the highest AI score you have ever seen. If we talk about the design, this phone has the sleek body design of 8.1 mm, and this is the first phone in this least price range which gives you dual punch hole camera with Super AMOLED screen. It's time for us to discuss about the camera features of Oppo Reno 3 Pro. It is the first time in mobile industry that Oppo is presenting 44 megapixel selfie camera with artificial intelligence, and there is also another lens for with 2 megapixel for portrait mode. Oppo Reno 3 Pro comes with camera setup at back side. It has 13 megapixel telephoto lens which is with 5x hybrid zoom and 20x digital zoom. Second lens is with 64 megapixel which can be extended up to 108 megapixels. And the third lens is with 2 megapixel for portrait mode, and the fourth lens is with 8 megapixel for ultra wide angle and also for 3 centimeter macro shot. For stability, Oppo Reno 3 Pro provides ultra steady video mode which is with OIS and EIS technology, which gives you a proper stability with zero anti-shaking. And in this phone we also have on the both side, front and back, bokeh effect, where bokeh effect in video, where we can make a video with bokeh. And we also have in the front camera ultra dark mode, where we can make pictures at a very low light. Now we talk about the fast charging technology of Oppo Reno 3 Pro, which is with VOOC Flash Charge 4.0, and it comes with 5 watts and 6 amperes, and you can charge your phone from 0 to 100% in just 56 minutes. And the other thing, we have the Android is latest 10.0 and with ColorOS 7.0. Now we talk about the ColorOS. It is always convenient for its users, and now it is providing a new feature like multiple users. And in multiple users we have separate system, a proper separate system for each user. Like a father can make its own separate space, and it can gives a gaming separate space for it for his children, which is a very secure feature. So Oppo Reno 3 Pro has too many features, but these were the precise ones. You can enjoy and experience these amazing features in this least price range. And thank you for watching. Mohammad Ali Qureshi. Allah Hafiz.